tire shop, fellas. This time for drives. We're gonna be using this rims. Look at this. I'm glad I'm changing the valve stems on all 4 rims, because look at the old one. He just took this one out. This one will have leak for sure. These are some cool little tires. Solid rubber. Tires are changed. I'm going to drop the truck in the parking lot. Quick oil change. I'm gonna change the oil in the truck and the APU today. Got everything with me. Filter, got a new filter. It's right here. Got a new fuel filter, but I don't think I'm gonna change it. I have to change the fuel lines too. 17 socket. And it holds like 1 gallon of oil. This is a 2-cylinder Perkins engine. Got the oil filter for this bad boy. Have to remove this one first. Old one is out. Always loop the gasket. Hand tight. Plug is going back in. And I don't know the torque for this plug. I'm just doing feel. Now just fill it with about a gallon of oil. And we're good to go with this one. Air filter is clean because I cleaned it not so long ago. This is the K&N. Quick and easy APU oil change. I'm gonna fire up the APU because it's full of oil. So now it's good. The filter, oil filter is gonna suck a little bit, and I'm gonna shut it off after 15 seconds, 20 seconds, and check it again. Let's check the oil. Perfect, just a little below full. It's getting focused on something else. APU is finished, so let's reset the maintenance reset oil timer. Let's check how many service hours I got before. Total 2658 on oil. Let's change 282 hours. Okay, okay. Oil 0. No, it was on oil was like 50 something or 60 something. I didn't check. So it was almost nothing. I got some strong magnets on the bottom of the oil filters, and I got a set of filters from the last oil change, one before. I'm gonna open them up and compare if this one grabs some metal shavings or something. I don't see nothing on this magnetic plug. I don't see no glitters or nothing here. This is just foam. Clean the oil filter base. Now 45 foot-pounds. Let's clean this again. I'm going to refill the truck oil filters. I'm gonna put a little more to this one. First one is in, second one. And the last one on the back is the bypass. These two are the same. Now water separator and fuel filter on the driver's side right here. Fill with oil and I'm done. Fuel filter, fill it with diesel. Oh, this little guy right here. I'm changing this filter every oil change, so it's every 10,000 miles. It's a little bit dirty. You can see the difference on the bottom. This rubber thing comes with the new one, so see the rubber bottom piece. New o-ring down there. A little more fuel. Okay. New o-ring on a cap. Liquid gold. Started the truck, so we do the same like APU, pump the oil and shut it off in a few seconds and check it again. So I bought a exhaust gasket material and I'm cutting the gaskets for this EGR's plugs. Got two almost perfect circles for the plug, so I'm gonna put them on whenever I have time. So let's open up these filters. This one are from last oil change. No, the one before. These ones are from today. I'm gonna open this one first. They are still full of oil. I mean, not full, but look at this oil filter. Stop there. I should have the vise for this. This way it's gonna be hard, but I'll try. We got this son of a bitch open, but without the vise. Phew. Let me take this from the inside. Okay, let's take this out. Oh, it's still full of oil. Wow. Well, filter looks clean. Look at this, guys. There is no metal shavings or nothing on it. Okay. Let's open the one with the magnet on it. Okay, got it open. This is the one with the magnet. Same thing. Nothing here. Looks exactly the same. And on the bottom, let's take this out. There is nothing there. It's all good. Now I'm gonna open the little one from APU. And I'm wearing foot gloves. Okay, this one was quick and easy without the vise. It's clean. It was only a few hours on the oil. Yeah, it's very clean.